So far I've done what, 4.7 kilometres, so we must be very, very close.
Yeah.
Only 36 minutes.
Yeah.
So it's not a bad little drive.
Yeah.
So, right there. Not far off, actually it's just directly that way.
Alright.
Directly that way apparently. If we turn
Well,
now,
it could be a bit of a... It's not...
I couldn't see
Yeah, it's
it.
that greenish in there.
Yeah, I'm looking down there now.
Yeah.
I'm looking directly at it now.
Alright.
Apparently, according to Google, but there you go. Oh, keep it going. There we go. Yeah, aiming directly for it now apparently.
Alright. I reckon it's a bit off to the left there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, leave the screen on so I can keep tracking.
Alright.
Yeah. I'll just do on there. Yep, happy days. Should be, yeah, just in there I reckon. Maybe.
Yeah.
Gotta be mindful of the pins coming a bit close to the bank, but
Yeah, I think it's about that bit.
if you go way down there, we're looking for days.
Yeah. And so we've sort of gone there and gone right into
So you want to slow it, stop, or?
that's the bottom.
There. So we've still got a little bit to go, but not great.
Ah.
As soon as it starts getting up to that little bit there, into the collar, then we're a bit worried.
That camera of yours is not sort of leaning back
mud.
to...
We'll feel it stop.
Yeah.
But if you hit rocks, then we're in big trouble.
Yeah.
I was there, we'll just go slow pace into it.
I don't know whether your camera's leaning back too far or not, is it? Or not?
No, 360.
No.
Just yeah, everything.
Right.
Nah, it should be right. Like,
Yeah.
it's fine. Yeah, no, it'll be right. Like, that's it. It's alright. It'll be fine. It'll mesh the two cameras together, so it's got basically two
Alright.
180 cameras, and it meshes the two images together.
Yeah.
So there's a tiny little line through here where it won't mesh exactly right,
Yeah.
because it's moving a lot. But yeah, no, you'll be able to put like the VR headset and look all around and have a look at the trip. That's if that's if it's okay to put up on YouTube, but it's yeah.
So you can just take snippets out of it and...
Yeah. Well, it only records an 8-minute block.
Right, alright.
So they're like 30 gig each.
Yeah.
They're huge.
Yeah, that looks like it up there where those green trees are, I'd say.
No, I'm directly for it, just slowing down the pace a little bit. Still good?
Yeah, it's got my hand.
That's alright. Oh yeah, if it's muddy you'll feel it, just blub blub blub.
Yeah.
And it'll just sort of slowly stop. Just the rocks and stuff.
Yeah, I don't think there's rocks around here.
No, it looks fairly, along the whole bank it looks sandy.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't expect rocks,
No.
but again, you never know.
No.
The worst case, you break the paddles out soon, but
Yeah.
no really rush. Oh, the drives we got on the longer ones are like that much longer.
Yeah.
So the standard drives, you're pedaling, almost
Like
not
harder.
hard, but
Yeah.
a bit harder to get the same amount of result.
Yeah.
So yeah, in the right still.
Let's sell on down.
Going down.
Yeah.
There we go.
That's about there.
Getting there. Does it feel sandy?
Muddy.
Muddy. That's alright. Mud will wash off.
That might be a sandbank there, is it?
Sandbank right there. I can definitely see that.
Yeah.
Um,
Well, do you want to just pull these up and paddle in?
I'll get a bit close because the paddling two person it's not great
Right.
for some reason. Does it feel alright? Like, still?
Yeah. Yeah, it's getting shallow.
Right there. Yeah, we might pull them up while we can. When we get stuck.
So what you do, pull these levers back and...
Yeah, but just when we get my feet and drag them both forward and just slide it straight up.
Yeah.
Just come out and just twist it down. Sort of leave them down there somewhere. Not the most comfortable, but take it easier. What you can do also is get like some fishermen, what they do is if they're getting somewhere shallow, there's a little hook on there, you pull it forward and hook it onto part of your seat
Right.
And that will you know, hold the fins up, but and you can't really get them out if you need them out. So
Right.
yeah, like we did, actually getting real shallow. Real shallow. That we did then. We start to see it in the bottom now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be scraping very soon. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Definitely a good call, that. Fish everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, butter.
Oh, yeah, walk. I think it's sandy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sand.
Always forget the rudder. Yeah. Oh, right. That was a good walk there.
Yeah.
Especially goes the deepens up, you're right. Yeah, it's just a bit hard without the rudder now. It does tend to want to spin a bit for some reason. I don't know if it's the shape of the boat or what, but yeah.
Fish here.
Yeah, so it's shot up there. Definitely. Yeah, lots of them. The water just stirred up.
Yeah, the colour of the water coming out of here.
Yeah, it's very stained. Yeah, fish galore. Look at them shooting off to all in front of us. Look over there.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, gee, look.
Ooh,
Oh.
look at them go. Holy shit.
Ah. Oh, I wonder what they are.
I don't know, no idea, but yeah, they're not liking it.
Surprising how clear the water is.
Coming out here.
And you look at that one there, it's boiled off there, the martin left.
That's a big fish. Oh wow. Hope the camera's still recording. Flashing red still. You seen that spin if it's is that still on?
Oh, I think I see a little red something there.
Oh, it's still
Oh,
flat.
I know. It might be my shirt. Oh yeah, I see a little. Yeah.
Excellent, that's good. Yeah, did the screen light up before?
Sorry?
I guess I don't remember anyway. We're only in the water for half an hour. It's got about an hour, 2 hour battery.
Oh.
That'll be right. Oh, wow. That's cool. That's what we're telling them to do. Deep is it?
Yeah.
Not deep enough for the not deep enough for the pedals though.
No. It's probably been 35 years since I've been up here.
Yeah, right. They're not really good for steering the old yak. Like, once it goes up,
Yeah,
one direction,
Yeah.
it just wants to keep going.